Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this short video I want to say a few words about the latest update of Django Pixel, the premium version. The product has been updated to use the latest Django code base provided by us for all related starters. So basically the source code is now available on GitHub, entirely available on GitHub, but in order to use the design that now is installed as an external library, you need this GitHub token, which unlocks the access to this private repository. Okay, on top of this, the product now can be easily deployed on render because the code base comes with continuous integration, continuous deployment flow for render, and this is provided by these two files. This CIML basically informs the render how to manage the project, the environment, the name of the service, and also the entry point of the Django codebase. And another script is this minimal hash that migrate the database, collect statics, and also install the modules. Let's deploy the product in on render. Once anyone goes for the purchase, basically you will get this GitHub token, and from that point you should be able to effectively use the product. Let's create a new project starting from the public repository. Once the product is generated, I will go here to my render dashboard. For newcomers, render is a deployment infrastructure that comes with an UI quite similar to Heroku, but this platform has more features and also decent pricing. And in order to deploy the Pixel Pro starter, we need to go here to the blueprint section, create a new blueprint. Now now the product is accepted by the render dashboard. The first deploy will fail because I didn't export the GitHub token in the environment. So this is the key, the token, the GitHub token used for this test, but will be deleted after the demonstration. So we need to go here and simply update the environment with the key. Okay, let me copy the name, and at this point the product should be deployed without any issues. Let's check out the compilation log. Yep, all looks good. So the database is migrated, all the dependencies are successfully installed, and soon we should be able to access the product in the browser. Now render tells us that the product is up and running. I will copy the URL and open the app in the browser. The design is made by Tinsberg. The framework used to style the product is Bootstrap 5. So the product comes with many things, components, Sample pages, let's create a new user in order to access the private pages. Okay, I will use a password and copy from this field in all the related fields just to speed up the process. Now we are authenticated and we should be able to access all the private pages. Looks super nice. The kit is bestseller on AppSeed. And also the product in this architecture comes with continuous integration, continuous deployment flow, which means in case we update the code base, the changes are reflected automatically in the live version. So it's super handy, it's super easy. We don't need to make any low-level server configuration or SSL certificate support or other things. Basically the product goes live and we should be able to use it. On the index we can check out all the components, all the pages, or there are a lot of nice things provided by this kit. So guys, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about the starter. As I said before, the source code is shipped on GitHub. In order to use the product, you need that private token. If anyone needs support, go here to the support page. Send us an email or simply join the Discord where we have more than 1,000 members. In case the price you are looking, anyone looks for a discount, go to the discount page, and we have other kits with at lower pricing, but also Pixel Pro might be a super nice solution for your next project. So guys, thanks for watching again. Adrian here from AppSeed, and let us know what you think about the product, as I said before, and see you